Hey guys, welcome to Evergreen Kitchen. In today's cooking, I will be introducing to you I'll call it delicious, nutritious, and also so medicinal. This is called so some call it also in Igbo language. I don't know what other tribes are calling it. I'm going to prepare this meal with egg. So this meal helps in curing one sickness they call Elilobi in Igbo language. I don't know. So, but there are other ingredients you add to it that will help it to cure it, which I did not add here. So, but it's very nutritious. You can give it to your kids. It helps them in their growth. So, before you start, you have to pound or grind the aerosol. Add it some pepper and salt, then mix it with egg, and then you know the way they put moi, the way they put moi. If you can put in a container or you can use oil to prepare it. So guys, watch how it's being done. Thank you. So if this is your first time watching our video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.
Ups and downs, weathering lights. Can I really win? Yet I remember why I started. Resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering life's trials and frowns, I'll keep my eyes on the prize, evergreen joy, my heart's surprise. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. The battle's won and the skies are clear. Evergreen joy, my spirit's cheer. A lasting bliss forever true. Dark clouds loom, the path unclear, obstacles amount, filled with fear. But I'll push on, refuse to yield. Determination, my only shield. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. The road grows long, fatigue sets in, doubts arise. Can I really win? Yet I remember why I started. Resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. Won't destroy. Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering lights. Can I really win? Yet I remember why I started. Resolve renewed my spirit. nutritious.